How to make your Twitter X account private. In this video, I will show you how to make your Twitter X account private. First, open and launch the X mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app where you will see all the tweets that have been shared by people. From there, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. A side panel with several options will appear as you can see here. From the options that are here on the side panel, tap on this one named Settings and Support. It is a drop-down menu with options. After that, the drop-down menu expands to reveal more options. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of X, where you will see all the different sections that you can use to make changes to the settings and privacy of your account, as you can see here. From there, from the options that are here, tap on this one named Privacy and Safety. Kindly make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This page has sections that are related to the privacy of your account. From the sections that are here is one we need. Tap on this one here named Audience and Tagging. Finally, you will be on this page where there are options with toggle buttons that you can use to either enable or disable them. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here named Protect Your Posts. So, enable the toggle button and make sure it has turned from gray to blue just like mine here. What this does is, when this toggle button is enabled, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your posts. This is what we were looking for. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to make your Twitter X account private.